Hello friends, today we are learn number name 1 to 20. So let's start. Color name orange color, yellow color, pink color, dark green color, blue color, purple color, peach pink color, red color, brown color, light green color, sky blue color, gray color, white color. Let's paint red color. Number 1, orange color. 2, purple color. 3, dark green color. 4, sky blue color. 5, yellow color. 6, pink color. 7, blue color. 8, peach pink color. 9, brown color. 10, red color. 11, orange color. 12, purple color. 13, dark green color. 14, sky blue color. 15, yellow color. 16, pink color. 17, blue color. 18, peach pink color. 19, brown color. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye bye.